Okay guys, so here we are in Canva. The first thing I'm going to do is to go here to the search box and I'll type in YouTube thumbnail. As I type, the different search results are showing up here, as you see. So YouTube thumbnail is here, so I'll just select it. Now guys, if it is that you're not quite sure of what style you should have for your thumbnail, or you'd like some ideas, you may go ahead and browse through the different templates that are here, and if you do see any that you like, you can just go ahead and select it and then customize it to fit your content, right? So you do have that option. If you're not too sure of what it is you should or what type of template you actually want to use for your video, if you decide not to select any, guys, you know, you have the option of coming here to create one from scratch per se. However, as I said, you can always go ahead and select any one of these templates and then customize it to fit your content. So I'm going to just go ahead and do that and show you what I'm talking about. So I'm selecting this one here. So guys, if you have a specific image that you want to use, then you just go here to upload and upload it. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to look for a free image in Photos and show you how you can basically use it up. So I'm going to look for, let me just type in vacation and see what comes up. So as I said, I need something free. All of these are okay. So here is a free one right here. Let me see if there are any more. All right, so here is one. So again, guys, as I said, you can remove this image. So to do so, you can just go ahead and highlight this section and then select the trash icon up here to delete it. Then you just basically drag over the image that you want, ensure that it is showing up within your design, and then you let go. If it is that you'd want the chairs that is in the image to show up more, guys, then what another option is to just delete it, and let's start over. So all right, let me see if I can find that image. Okay, so just select it, guys, and then you just drag it over and you would just drag it to reposition it so that the chair is showing. Once you have it to your liking, you go up to position and then select to back, and so you're seeing both chairs and it's looking more like what you'd want. Now for the text, you can go ahead and change the font style of it by coming up here and, you know, basically changing it to any font style that you want to work with. So I'm just doing that as well, so you guys can see what that would look like. So now another thing that you can do, guys, is to change the color of the background. So upon selecting it, what's going to be selected first is the text box. So to get to the color underneath, just select CTRL on your computer, and whilst pressing down or selecting CTRL, you tap on the image again, and then the colored box is what will then be highlighted. As you see up here, you see the color, and you can just go in there and change it to a color that you want to use, as you see me doing here. I'll just work with that. So for this, I'll just type in beach. I'm just changing the word. Just type beach time. And for the letters here, guys, it was positioned to the left, so you can align it by going up here and selecting this icon, which will then center it, or, you know, put it wherever you want it to be. So you have that option. Now let me just go down here and change the word workout. Alright, so that's done. So again, I need to change the background color to this blue color here. So I'm just going to press CTRL on the computer. Let me just come off that and go back on. So press CTRL, then click it, and then I'm going up here to change the color. Same thing for up here for this circle. I think I'm just going to delete this rather than keep it. Let me delete all of that. So guys, this is it. You could also go ahead and change this color here. Change it. Let's change it to white. Maybe not white, guys. Let's find another color. Nope, that obviously not gonna work. all right, so I'll just leave it with that one there. So guys, as you just saw, you can just take one of these templates to get some ideas from and then go in and customize it as needed. So that's how you can go about creating your YouTube thumbnail for free using Canva here. And I must say, with the font styles, the one that I used just now is available to me on the Pro version of Canva. So for you could go ahead with like Anton. That one looks good because Anton is free. You don't need to worry about being on the Pro version of Canva to use it. Basically, is to find out which text is on the Pro version or not. You just look for this. It's a crown icon. Whichever one has the crown icon beside it, then if you're just using the free version of Canva, it will not be free for you to use it. So just bear in mind that. Okay guys, so whilst working on your thumbnail here, you may find that if you try to move a particular image, you might end up moving one of the others at the same time. Or if you want to get to something like get to one of these images here, you might find that you're moving in another one at the same time. So to avoid that happening, what you can do is to just lock your images in place. So for example, here, if I want to lock the picture, then I'll just ensure that that is highlighted. Then I go up to this icon that says lock and lock it in place. I can do the same thing for this colored section here, just lock it in place. So that way, when I'm moving around now, when I'm moving the text box here, the colored text box, then I won't have to worry about anything else shifting. So once everything's to your liking, guys, you may go ahead and download it as a PNG file. So that's it, guys. It's pretty simple here. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave them in the comment section down below. Also, give this video a like, guys, if you find it useful. Until my next video, I will talk to you then. Goodbye.